Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Before going into the news, let's start with the motivational quote. Never reply when you are angry, never make a promise when you are happy, and never make a decision when you are sad. COVID-19 cases in India crossed 79 lakh. The recoveries reached 71 lakh. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 79 lakh 9,959 as 45,148 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The COVID-19 death toll in the country has risen to 1 lakh 19,014, while 71 lakh 37,228 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 6 lakh 53,717 cases are currently active. Pakistan could be the next polio-free country. Palitha Mahipala, WHO country representative, said that Pakistan could be the next polio-free country. Efforts against polio have been affected due to enormous challenges such as misconception about vaccines and the COVID-19 lockdowns, but activities have been ramped up to end the diseases in Pakistan. He added, over 2.6 lakh frontline workers are real heroes in the effort. He further said, West Bengal policeman builds boarding school for tribal kids, offers free education. Arup Mukherjee, a traffic policeman in Kolkata, has set up a boarding school in Purulia for kids belonging to the suburb tribe community from his savings. Mukherjee's Panchan Abadisha Model School offers accommodation to 126 suburb children, food and basic education free of cost. I saw them being ostracized and not given jobs. They took to crime, the policeman said. Arunachal boy hands over bear cub he raised for 8 months to forest department. A 9-month-old female bear cub named Luba that was raised by a boy of Lipu Emchal village in Arunachal Pradesh was handed over to the forest department and later to Itanagar Zoo. I have brought up Luba like my own sister, the boy who brought her around 8 months ago said. He wanted to save her life, a district officer said. Dubai introduces facial recognition on public transport. Dubai has introduced a facial recognition system on its public transport to provide additional security for locals, officials announced on Sunday. The technology has proven effective as it takes less than a minute now to identify the suspect, unlike before when it took 5 hours, officials added. The system will be rolled out in Dubai's metro stations in the upcoming months. Ravana effigy explodes during Dasara event in Punjab. Video surfaces. A video showing a Ravana effigy instantly catching fire and exploding during a Dasara event in Punjab has surfaced online. People can be seen running at the event, which was attended by Congress leader and former MLA Ashwani Shekri, held at the ground near Dav School in Batala. No one was injured in the incident, according to local media reports. Majority of talent doesn't come from metros but small towns. Zoho billionaire CEO founder Sridhar Vembu, who recently moved to a Tamil Nadu village, said in an interview with Your Story, if you go to Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, you will realize that majority of the talent pool doesn't come from the city but small towns and rural areas, said. He said tech has been taken to rural doorsteps to help them build it. Dunkin' Donuts parent firm plans partial sale to US-inspired brands. Dunkin' Brands Group, the parent company of Dunkin' Donuts and Baskin-Robbins, said it has held preliminary discussion to acquire by multi-brand restaurant company Inspired Brands. The deal could take the group private at the share price of $106.5, reported New York Times. Inspired Brands operates US-based restaurants such as Arby's and Jimmy John's. Vikrant Massey celebrates Durga Ashtami with fiancée, shares pictures. Actor Vikrant Massey celebrated Durga Ashtami with his fiancée Sheetal Thakur and they took to Instagram to share pictures of the celebration. The two reportedly got engaged in an intimate ceremony which was attended by close friends and family members in November last year. Commenting on the post, Vikrant's Ginny with Sunny co-star Yami Gautam wrote, "How sweet." Reliance Industries rolls back salary cuts, offers bonus. Mukesh Ambani led Reliance Industries is rolling back salary cuts of hydrocarbons division employees, PTI reported. RIL is also offering a performance bonus that was deferred after a business was hit by coronavirus lockdown. An advance of 30% of the variable pay from next year's salary to employees as a goodwill gesture for working during COVID-19 pandemic is also being offered. Denmark has the world's oldest national flag called the Dannebrog, or the Strength of Dance, which was adopted as the flag in 1219 AD. Larry Tesler, the inventor of cut, copy and paste, find and replace, and more. Pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrups. It also prevents from cold and flu. Camel can and drink 30 gallons, which is 113 liters of water in just 13 minutes. McDonald's is the largest distributor of toys in the world. More than 15% of sales at McDonald's include a toy, with one being passed out with each Happy Meal the company sells.